Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Essie and today we'll be preparing these delicious cinnamon rolls. And what better way to have this than with a cold glass of milk. Let's get to this. You're going to start by measuring 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, a spoon and a quarter of yeast. Then we have 2 tablespoons of sugar and a cup of milk. This is warm milk which you're going to use as we need. This is some extra flour to use while kneading if need be. In your empty bowl, start by adding the 2 eggs. Then just go ahead and whip them a bit. Go on and take your butter. Mix it. Get your sugar. Salt, then add half of the milk, and finally add the yeast. And just give it a good mix. So at this point I'm going to allow the yeast to activate for about 5 to 10 minutes. This step is the step that makes me know that I can continue to the next step. At least my yeast is okay. You can see. Yep. So now it's time to continue. So now we're going to begin adding our flour. As you begin to knead this dough, you might be tempted to add some more flour, but you don't need to add some more. That is basically enough. So you need it for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you have the machine, the better. If you don't have, you can go the old school way, just like me. Now we are just going to place it here for about 5 minutes and cover. Then we go on to the cinnamon filling. Sit here. So for the filling, I'm going to be using about 3 tablespoons of butter. Then I have 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder and 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you like more sugar, you can do, but I opted to use the 3 tablespoons. So before I proceed, I'm going to use the same butter. Just grease my baking sheet, my baking pan. Back to our dough. So I'm just going to dust this part a bit. Before I forget, I ended up using 3/4 cup of milk. I didn't use the full cup. I have a quarter left. Now you want to spread it a bit. Then go in with the roller. So once you're done, you want to divide into half. Then come into this half and get half of it. Each 3 pieces. Use my floss. Just get a string. Then using the string, just divide through. Now that you're done, it's time to arrange them inside. Make sure you create spaces between them. Arrange. There we go. Now we're going to cover this for 1 hour. Then we can begin to bake them.